Hello dear students, better good morning to all of you. Today let us be introduced to the poem Childhood. The poet is Marcus Nathan. This poem is about childhood and it has 4 stanzas. In the first three stanzas the poet raises a question, creates tension in the mind of the reader, mind and heart of the reader. In the first 3 stanzas he asks the question, when did my childhood go? And in the last stanza he releases this tension. So this is a beautiful poem about childhood. The theme of the poem is that childhood never dies, it is alive somewhere or the other. It is alive in children. This can be found on the faces of small children. So once the poet was a child, when did he stop? When did he cease to be a child? When did his childhood leave him? So he asked the question in the first stanza, when I came to know that God is not found in geography, He is only in prayers, He is only in hearts, He is not physically present. Was this the day? Was the day when I came to know? So every child someday or the other comes to know that God is nowhere, although we all are taught that God is in heaven. But the poet says, when I came to know that there is no heaven in geography, no, it is not being taught, it means there is no heaven in the sky. So did my childhood go when I came to know that heaven is only a mental state, only a psychological state? This is not present, existential. So was it the day when my childhood go? I became an adolescent. Then in the second stanza, the poet says, when I came to know. In the first stanza, he is progressing from the stage of childhood to the age of adolescence. So when he has become an adolescent, a teenager, he crosses the 11th year. Then he comes to know that the adults are hypocrites. They are not what they show. They are mild like other age groups, like children and like the old people. But they show to be something else. They show to be strong. They show to be what they are not. So their hypocrisy is not, it has 2 senses. It is not bad always. Sometimes and many times the adults, parents and teachers, they have to be hypocrites. If they show their real face, how much they love you, how much they love their children, children will not obey them. They will not listen to them. They will consider them, parents and teachers, as their equals. They will not follow the rules. They will not follow the instructions. How will society run? How will the development go on? So this is why they have to pose to be serious. So the poet says, when I came to know, when I realized that the adults, the elders are not what they show to be, when I realized it, was it the day when my childhood left me? In the third stanza, he crosses the adolescent age and enters into the adult age. So he becomes a young man. So in the third stanza he raises the question, when I came to know that my heart and my mind and my thoughts are mine only. I have the sole responsibility. I have the sole supremacy over my thoughts, over my brain, over my powers. I can use them as I wish, and nobody is going to prevent me. Was that the day? Was it the day when my childhood left me? So he is raising this question in all these three stanzas. From the first stanza, in the first stanza, he is a small child and he is living that childhood stage. He becomes an adolescent, then he becomes a mature young man. He enters the age of adults. So he comes to know the reality that the adults, they are, although they do not show what they are, but there is some reason behind it, some positive reason behind it. In the last stanza, the poet asks, where did my childhood go? He does not reply to the question of the three stanzas, when did my childhood go? That we can understand. When did his childhood go? His childhood had left him on the first stage when he moved from heart to mind, when he moved from trustworthiness, trust to doubt. So when he doubted the elders, his parents, his teachers, his childhood had left him because he entered from heart to mind. So in the last stanza, he asks, where did my childhood go? So now the focus of the question, or focus of the direction of childhood has changed. Now it is not time oriented, it is space oriented. Where is it now? So now he says that he finds that his childhood has not died, although it has left him. He is no more a child, he is no more an emotional boy, and he can think rationally. But where has his childhood gone? He points towards the children and he says that my childhood is not with me, but it has gone somewhere. Where has it gone? To children. It is still alive, it has not died, it is still alive in the young children. So they are, you can find my childhood in them. You can realize, you can imagine how I was looking at their faces. I was like them one day. So these are the four stanzas and their explanation. So this is the poem. Beta, read this poem, learn this poem, write question answers, and write summary in your own words, in 150 words. Okay, beta, best of luck.